Hi there, students. Achilles heel. An Achilles heel. I think both with and without an apostrophe. Okay, let's see. An Achilles heel is a weakness in a person or a system. Yeah, very often just a small one, but one that can lead to failure. Yeah, so for example, I'm on a diet, but the problem is that ice cream is my Achilles heel. Well, ice cream and chocolate. Well, ice cream and chocolate and fried food and well, to tell you the truth, all food is my Achilles heel. Okay, so your Achilles heel, a vulnerable point. Let's see. I think nuclear power at the end of the day, I think is quite a good thing. But I think the Achilles heel is what do you do with the nuclear waste? Yeah, you've got to put it somewhere. Yeah, so it solves the carbon dioxide problem, but it creates another problem. So somebody's Achilles heel is the weak point in their character, a weakness in their nature, where it's easy for other people to attack them, or where it's perhaps easy to criticize them as well. So somebody's Achilles heel, yeah, is their weakness, it's their failing, yeah. We all have at least one Achilles heel. Well, sometimes I feel I'm one great big Achilles heel. So a weakness, a lack, a fault, a deficiency, a flaw, a shortcoming, yeah, and some sort of imperfection. So they say that he's a very good boss, but his one Achilles heel is he finds it very difficult to delegate responsibility to other people. Yeah, so it's your soft spot, your vulnerability. Superman. The Achilles heel of Superman was kryptonite. Yeah, a bit of kryptonite, and that's the end of Superman. Okay, so yeah, we all seem to have an Achilles heel of one sort or another. So, what's your Achilles heel? Well, no need to make it public. Okay, so the Achilles heel of something. Yeah, the product is really good, but its Achilles heel is its price. That's perhaps Apple's Achilles heel. The products are good, but the price is pretty heavy. Okay, let's see. Origin. Okay, this comes from Greek mythology. Achilles, let's see, when Achilles was born, his mother wanted to make him invulnerable, because there was a prophecy that Achilles was going to die at a young age. So she picks him up by his heel and she dips him into the river Styx, the river of death, or the river that separates the land of the living and the land of the dead, because the water of the river Styx was supposed to provide immortality, but she dipped him in the water, but as she held him by the heel, the water didn't get on his heel, and that's why he was vulnerable in his heel. And I think the myth goes that he was said to have died from a poisoned arrow that went into his heel, Achilles' heel. Let's see, formality. His Achilles' heel. Five in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. Maybe 5.5, but still use absolutely anywhere. Yeah, it's a common phrase, and everybody will know what it means. Okay, so your Achilles heel. In English, what's your Achilles heel? Well, I know in English, my Achilles heel is spelling. Yeah. British English spelling is just so difficult. I think it's probably the Achilles heel for many people. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye. bye for now. Achilles heel.